Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about route model bindings. So you will know what is a route model binding and how to make model and controller for route models binding and understand with the example. Okay. So what is a route model binding? Route model binding, it means that we inject or bind the model in routes in order to minimize code for getting or fetching the data from database. Okay, so I will show you how to do it and you will understand clearly. Okay, so is my project. So now I create one controller for testing. PHP artisan makes controller and my controller name is user controller. Okay, and I create one model for connect to the database table. So PHP artisan makes model. My model name should be user because in my database table here user is plural, so the model in Laravel should be singular. Okay, enter it. Now create one function. So we go to controller, user controller, and create one function. In here my function name is get user. Okay, get user, and I import controller app. Sorry, I import model and model name is user, and in here I just return model. Okay, I create one route for this function. Go to web.php route get here is user and my controller user controller class function get user, and don't forget import the user controller use app http controller and user controller. Okay, maybe something wrong. Okay, save it. That's fine. Now let me test it. Okay, so this is, let me start my project. PHP artisan make self. Okay, then we test with user. Okay, that's fine. And now I want to import or inject it in route, so we should be like this. In here I just put the parameter keys. Okay, save it, and I go to function again, and here is user key. Okay, and in here should be return key. Okay, so save it. Let me run this. Okay, I put the ID. Okay, it comes correct. So now I want to search by name or Gmail or address. Okay, so if we put the route and we import the model like this, it by default it's searched by ID. Okay, so now I want to specify with name. So we go to the route again, and here we just put name. Okay, so because in here is the key name, so let me save it, and I search it with Alex. Okay, that's fine. So I want to search it with Danish. Okay, you can Danish. Okay, that is comes correct. Or you want to search with address, so you can change here to address and save it. So address you should be USA. Okay, you can see here is correct. So that's all for my presentation about how to use route model binding. Okay, so thank you for watching.